Where you going?
Come on, buddy, flip over. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah.
He's only 3 months.
Come on. You can do it. Whoa. Oh my God. What?
Go ahead, Alex. Do it. Go, Alex. Go, Alex.
Come on, come on, come on.
Excuse me. Go, Alex.
You're gonna roll away.
He's gonna be creeping soon.
You're 3 months old, buddy.
I
Won't you
can't
wait?
believe it. This is unbelievable. Alex, you're only 3 months. Oh my God. Go get Daddy. Come on, you can do it.
Come over here. You're gonna be exhausted later.